Good afternoon. This is Mike with Kellum's Plumbing out here at 3919 69th Street, San Diego. So I am starting on when facing the home, the right side of the home. Through the crawl space entrance, when you open up that door, you do have an end-of-line cleanout. This is Mike here with Kellum's Plumbing. This is Joe. Just like to show, there's our van, kind of perspective of where we are. We're actually at this property. We're starting off here in an ABS clean out. I like to work these cameras kind of fast down and then really using to pull back in perspective. We can see a little better. So we know this first portion is ABS. We have been verbally told, and it appears to be true, that everything under the home is ABS. And then in the driveway, it does connect to, looks like we're starting to get to that location, cast iron. So we notice here at 42 feet, we have that. Hey Joe, let's get our locator out. I just want to just double check that. Yep. So I'm hoping to get here. My goal here is to get to the cool. Kill it. For right now, sorry, put the locator on a little early. Come on, baby. Joe, I might need a larger wheel.
Can you get it?
Yeah, to get the distance I need to. Oh, you know what? Have the gentleman flush the toilet. See if he can flush the toilet. No. Ask the gentleman to flush the toilet. Just knock on the door, send me to Kellum's Plumbing, and you'll be fine. Okay. So we've made it to the city connection. City connection here is SDR. So we're currently in the city main. I had a toilet flush to help me get the last distance. Just helps the camera push through the longer distance. So notice here that our connection is right here, about 72 feet. We're going to pull back here. You do see that we have cast iron in this section of the pipe. Cast iron has a life expectancy roughly 50 years here in San Diego. Common knowledge is 50 to 75 years. If you notice right here, the bottom of the screen light below the 67, 68, that is a crack right on top of that in the cast iron. Cast iron builds up with scale. The reason that there's a range in cast iron is a couple of items. A, who made it? Not all cast iron was made the same. Similar, okay, here, there's something coming through the side right there at 64 feet. Excuse me. Who made it and what was the schedule weight of it? Similar in PVC, we talk about like schedule 40 versus schedule 20 versus schedule 80. That's the thickness, the density of the pipe itself. It's the same ODID, but it's the density inside. How much extra iron was in there. Another things that can affect it. pH in our water level. What's going down it? Was it heavy bleach from laundry with a lot of Drano? Was it filtered water? What's the pH in the ground water, the ground table when it rains? All of that has an effect on the inside and the outside and the longevity of the cast iron pipe. What we do know is we do have some scale here. Do have a little holding water here. Nope, that's flowing. I apologize, that's not holding. Right there, it looks a little stagnant. Okay, we notice a root coming through there on the 55-foot mark. This is a candidate, as I'm seeing thus far, for what we call pipe restoration. When cast iron has exceeded its life, it boils down to 3 buckets to repair it. Number 1, you dig it up and you replace it. In a crawl space, you just cut it out and replace it. Option number 2 and 3 are kind of the same, but just 2 different methods. We have what we call a structural liner, and then we have what we call epoxy coating. A structural liner is a 3 millimeter thick felt liner that's impregnated with resin, 2-part resin, shot into the pipe, expanded with a balloon, and then cured. And we notice we go back to ABS at 42 feet. We're going to pause the video here. We're going to go locate and confirm the exact location that we believe this is starting, where it was marked with the letter plumber, but we're going to check it. To finish up really quick though, my voice there, 3 millimeter felt liner, soaked in epoxy, ambiently cured, 50-year warranty on that. That is what we call a structural liner. We also have epoxy coating, where we, same process of descaling and cleaning out the inside of the pipes, and then we're brushing 3 layers of a 2-part of epoxy, impregnating into the current cast iron and then building layers up on the inside. That is what we call a semi-structural repair. Let me go to the location. I'm putting this on pause. Okay, so just getting that area there located. Now we're back into ABS. This portion here all looks really good. I'm gonna go kind of quick in this area just because this portion of the ABS looks good. We saw it on the way down. Okay. Awesome, good to go.